Hey everyone. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how to complete work for an ICivics worksheet. There's going to be some times that I'm going to upload on Schoology something from ICivics. Basically what ICivics is, it is a worksheet that has some readings and then it has questions, but it is a PDF where you can kind of click in a box and fill out your answers. And you just type them into the computer. So because it is a PDF, there is a special way that we have to actually work on it. So all of you guys get the worksheet saved in a separate location so you can then submit it for a grade. So I'm going to show you basically what you should be looking at with this example. So right now we are in something called my sandbox. This is sort of like my test zone. So just kind of ignore that. Pretend that this is your class. So if you go into your class, you're going to go to materials. You'll see that there's going to be a worksheet. More than likely, this worksheet is going to be in the week folder, and then after the week folder, it's going to be in a specific day. But right now, I just have it right on the front. So when you click on it, this is the assignment. It's called Counting Citizens. Right here, you should see the PDF. If you click that, it's going to open it into another tab. We do not want that. What you want to do is you want to do this, open assignment with Cami. Cami is the assignment that we're going to be using, or the software we're going to use to actually complete the assignment. So you're going to click open assignment with Cami. And then it says, I am using Cami for, this should be the first thing that pops up. You're going to say school, you're going to pick your role, you are a student. And then it says, I am a student, so I'm using it for school, I am a student, perfect. You're going to click finish. Then you have your worksheet here. Your worksheet, you're going to read, in this case, this page and this page. And then you are going to complete these questions and these questions right here. Okay? So when you do that, you're going to type some information in. So like here, I'm just going to put in Mrs. Jaw, and I'm going to say test page, and test page, just to make sure all of this works out. And then when you are done with that, I suggest that you kind of look at the side to see what you do. That's select, that's a dictionary, that's marking up. You can add a comment, you can do a text box, anything like that, okay? So all of that on the side is stuff you can use while you are filling out the sheet. If it is time to submit, let's say that you filled out the whole sheet, it's the end of class, you're good to go. You're gonna go up to the top, there's print, don't print. Then you have the save or turn in button. So you're gonna click turn in. And then that's my name because it's on my computer. Get counted PDF, Cami PDF, and you're going to click turn in. It's going to export it, which is good. It's going to redirect you, and it's bringing you right back to Schoology. So Schoology says, in this case, we're unable to turn in this file because I'm actually the teacher in this course. When you guys click it, it is going to submit it with your name and your answers, and it's going to be available for you to submit here. You're going to see your submission. You should be able to see at the end that you have actually submitted this assignment. So in this case, because I'm the teacher and I can't actually be a student, it's popping up with an error. But for you guys, when you click OK, it is going to allow you to actually submit the work through Schoology. Okay, so once again, you're going to open the assignment with Cami. You're going to work on it after saying you're in a school, you're a student. And then when you're done, you're going to go up to that save button. You're going to click it, and it brings you right back to Schoology to submit your assignment. Please make sure you refer to this video if you ever need to know how to actually submit the assignment or to start the assignment on Schoology. All right, thanks, guys.